Hello traders, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss some very important chart pattern, and in last video we discussed some very important bullish chart pattern, but this is the third video in this series of chart pattern. I already uploaded the bullish chart pattern and you can check that video from the description, but in this video we will discuss about some very important bearish chart pattern. So how to identify those chart pattern and how to take entry and take profit. So I will start with head and shoulder. So our first bearish chart pattern is head and shoulder chart pattern. So how does it look like and how to take entry and where to place stop loss, we will discuss about this. So let me just give a basic drawing of that chart pattern so that you can identify that pattern in your drawing. So basically so as you can see from the diagram that at this line the pattern or the trade is taking it as a support zone at 2 point, and these 2 point as we discussed in last video in case of inverse head and shoulder, but this is simple head and shoulder. Inverse is, if we talk about inverse head and shoulder, that is a bullish chart pattern, but if we talk about simple or head and shoulder chart pattern, it is a bearish chart pattern. As you can see, if we mark these point 1 2 3, as you can see 1 and 3 uh, you know make a same level pattern here. As you can see, it is taking support at the taking resistance at these 2 point. So these 2 point 1 and 3 they are generally called shoulders, and this 2 point is called as head. So as you can see, how to identify, actually the trend uh, is bullish, entered in this zone, and after that it continuously taking support at these 2 point, and then after making head and shoulder like this 1 2 3 point, then it break out from the neckline or this baseline. So after the breakout you can wait for the reversal, and then you can enter at here and put your stop loss into the structure of pattern. You can enter here and you can wait for a bigger target to achieve. So this is first bearish chart pattern, which is known as head and shoulder. Next we will move to, this is our inverted flag. So let me just draw this and you will get a better idea. So the trend enter, or you can say the trend is in bearish mode in the beginning and enter this flag like this, and after the breakout of this flag you can take entries here and put your stop loss inside the flag pattern. So as you can see, this looks like a flag and this look like a pole of this flag if you watch it carefully. So this is a pole structure and this is a flag, but it is inverted flag, so you have to remember that the trend is bearish before entering this flag zone, and after the breakout you can take entry or short entry and take your profit accordingly. So third is our descending triangle. So as the name suggests, in descending triangle it formed like this line generally looks like a very straight horizontal line, but this line is a trend line type which is wider at this side and it is narrow at this point. So trend enter this, or the price enter this uh, triangle like this and trade like this for some time as per your time frame, and after the breakout you can take the short entry, put your SL inside the descending triangle. So what you have to remember, the trend is bearish at first and enter the triangle and then break out the triangle. So this is descending triangle. Next is our rising wedge. So these are our bearish chart pattern you have to remember. So in rising wedge the structure or the pattern looks like this. So the first line is looks like a straight line, and the second line which is inclined like this. This side is a wider side and this is a narrow side. So and the price enter this triangle from a bullish rally and then it trade like this. So after the breakout, as you can see, the price or the trade is bullish from the beginning and enter in this rising wedge, and after the breakout you can take a short entry and wait for a longer triangle. So longer target. Next is our symmetrical triangle. This is fifth. Symmetrical triangle. So in case of symmetrical triangle, as the name, it look like a triangle from both side like this. So how to identify the trend or the price move uh, from a bearish trend in the beginning and then trade like this. So after the breakout from the narrow side you can take entries at this point and put your SL and look for a bigger target. So this is symmetrical triangle, and the last in this pattern, in bearish pattern, we'll discuss the sixth bearish pattern is our bearish rectangle. So how does it look like? It is generally, as the name suggests, it the price enter from the bearish trend or the bearish price enter in this rectangle and trade like this. So as you can see that it is taking resistance at this point and support at this point, so you have to wait for the breakout and you can take bearish or short entry at this point and put your SL inside the rectangle. So these are some most important bearish pattern, chart pattern. I already discussed bullish chart pattern, so if you want to check that video you can check that video. So from this video you can take help and you can identify how to read these pattern and you can take benefit from these pattern accordingly. So we will discuss more about how we in next video I'll take some live example from the chart and I will discuss about some screener from where you can easily find these chart. You did not have to much you do not have to make much analysis to identify those pattern. There are some screener that those screen can help you to identify the formation of these pattern. So we will discuss those pattern in next video. So thank you.